deep pit. Let's draw a sweet kitten. First, draw its head. Make it round. Now its nose and muzzle. Well done! Draw its triangular ears and long whiskers. Then make an oval body. Excellent! Draw the front paws. Draw 2 straight lines. And a rear paw. Excellent! Now you only have to draw along. What an adorable kitten you've made!